Health Minister Ronwood Wells says greater enforcement and discipline and not increased restrictions is what's necessary to bring the spread of COVID-19 under control in the Bahamas. His comments come only days after police shut down a New Providence party that was attended by hundreds of maskless people. Videos from the event, which took place at Bahama Barrels on West Hill Street, sparked outrage and disbelief in some circles for its blatant violation of COVID-19 protocols. It also led to fears that more restrictions would be imposed.
I don't know if it calls for more restrictions, it just calls for more enforcement. As you rightfully said, the COVID police was called to one of these events. But if we're not aware that the event is going on and no one at the event calls, or no one happening to pass by the event who sees the event calls, then the COVID police would not be able to, the COVID enforcement unit would not be able to respond to it.
Commissioner of Police Paul Rhodes said 300 people were at the party on Sunday when it was shut down and noted that the organizer was issued a citation for $92,000 for violation of the COVID-19 emergency order. Wells said yesterday that he believes Bahamians can be disciplined when necessary. However, he acknowledged that there is a flip side to that as well.
When Bahamians are not interested in adhering to protocol, they're not going to adhere to it. And so I'm just calling on the Bahamian people who have been such gracious and excellent partners with this administration to just continue to adhere to the health protocols.
Wells said the government would increase restrictions if necessary, but maintained that the availability of the COVID vaccine is the Bahamas' best tool to combat the third wave of infections.
It isn't that we're committed to not tightening restrictions. What we're committed to is the course of action that we're on, which is we believe, based on what the data is from both other countries around the globe who have vaccinated their people and held in place the kind of health protocols that we've held in place, have been able to move their countries out of increasing cases of COVID.
With 53,600 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine having arrived in the Bahamas to date, the rollout of the vaccine has been quickly expanded to include more people. Reporting for the Guardian News Network, I'm Berthany McDermott.